Thank you guys for the questions you've been sending in through email. There were a few of you that were asking about percents and how to write those as decimals. So we're going to do a little mini lesson right here on how to change a percent into a decimal and back again. So let's break down the word. Percent literally means out of 100. There are 100 cents in a dollar, 100 centimeters in a meter, 100 years in a century. That cent stands for 100. Per mathematically means division, and so if we take a percent, let's say 25%, that means that it is 25 per or out of or division 100. If we do 25 divided by 100, we get 0.25. So 25% written as a decimal is 0.25. Let's do a couple more. Let's do 37%. That would be 37 divided by 100, and we get 0.37. One more. Let's do 92%. That would again be 92 divided by 100, or 0.92. Now, I'm not going to do this division every time because we can notice a shortcut. When we divide it by 100, you will see that the decimal, which came at the end of this number and was not written, but it was there, has been moved over 2 places, 0.25. This 37% also moved over 2 places. This 92% also moved over 2 places. Even if I start with a decimal, or a percent that has a decimal, let's say 12.5%, and I do 12.5 divided by 100, that will give us 0.125. Move the decimal over twice to get this. And so when I do that, I usually use that shortcut, but you should know that it comes from the percent or the division by 100. Now, because we have figured that out, we can speed up our work a little bit and go back and forth. If I have a percent, let's say 26.3%. Move the decimal over twice, once, twice, and we get 0.263. If I have 7.4%, we move the decimal over twice again. That's once, twice. Now we have an empty space here, so I'm going to fill that up with a 0, our placeholder, and that would give me 0.074. Going the other way, it's just the same process. We move the decimal over the other direction though. So let's say I started with a decimal, 0.626. If I wanted to change this into a percent, we'd move it over twice. That would be 62.6%. If I started with 0.09, move that over twice. That would give me 9%. Sometimes we have situations that involve greater than 100%. So let's say I have something like 231%. Move that decimal over twice, once, twice, that would give me 2.31. If we take something that is greater than this, say, let's say 4, what would that be written in percent form? Now we have to know that this is in decimal form, not percent form. So if we start with decimal form, that would be 400%. Again, thanks for your questions, and I hope this helped.